Yes, I do shop at games.
Yes, I do.
I do.
Yes, I do shopping at Game. I prefer Game in most of the times because they are selling appliances. I used to buy most of the appliances at Game at a reasonable price.
Yes, definitely.
Uh, 20 to 25 minutes to drive to like Montana or to Main Lane. As the nearest is 25 minutes. So
Main Lane and Colonnade. So around Mamelodi, there's no game.
Main Lane Colonnade, because it's not around.
It's too far.
Normally go to Montana, 10 kilometers from here.
It's like 20 kilometers from here to Main Lane.
To a game store, I have to travel to Main Lane. You can imagine from Mamelodi to Main Lane.
Because it's Main Lane, probably 15 km from here.
I'll be the happiest lady. Yes, because Game got it's got everything that a person, anyone who need anything, you find it at Game. It's the store that everyone needs to have around. Like, you don't have to drive. I will save the petrol to go to, like, to Montana. Yes.
I'll be pleased.
Definitely.
I want to see a big game store.
But if it's there, we are not going to support it.
So if we can have a big shop like Game nearer, it will be okay for us.
Because of the specials that they have.
Definitely, yeah. I'd love to see that.
Definitely. Exactly the same as the one which is in Main Lane.
Most of the things that we want to buy, it will be at a big shop like Game.
I'll be happy if it can be here in Mahube Valley, so that there are many people here around Mahube, so the place is still developing, but I'll be happy if it can come here in Mahube.
We would like to have one here in Mamelodi.
In Mahube Valley, please.
No, here. Yeah, because of here we've got a space. I think the bomb is already packed with many shops. So if you come this side, we've got a space like Game can.
No, I would like it at Mahube Valley.
At Mahube Valley.
Right here or other side of the road.
No, Mahube Valley, everything is in Denebom. Mahube Valley this time, please.
Mahube Valley is fine because I think this is the center and the east end.
Mahube Valley, please. Your Denebom is so old and then it's so... No, Mahube Valley I prefer.
I do buy at other stores because of I don't always have time to go to Game. Like now, I wanted to buy something, but I had to come here because Game is too far for me. I'm in a hurry now.
Believe in me, the same people that you see there in these suburbs, in these fancy areas, these are the people who buys there. Yeah, so it means that these people are hungry. They want those shops here as well.
Most of the things that we want to buy, it will be at a big shop like Game, because even at Game you can buy in bulks, but the shops like Pick and Pay, you don't buy in bulks, you see. So a big shop like Game, we will benefit from it. Yeah.